Hey, listen, it's Chris Reed here from Ardor SEO. Look, I'm super great that Charlotte sent you over to us. So I'm really happy to have a look at your site and show you the huge potential you have ahead. So there's a few tools that we have, and I've put your site into them, and I can see that. So this is your DE site. It doesn't get as much traffic as your .co.uk. Your .com redirects to the .co.uk. So we can see you rank for 87 keywords and generate 38 visitors. It has jumped up over the last year. Since December, you've been doing okay, but not spectacularly. But if we go and look at your other website, the .co.uk, you're doing pretty good. So you rank for 248 keywords, generating 526 visitors. And if you were to buy that traffic with Google, it cost you $67. And we can see that so you started around 440 visitors in April last year, and you're up to 526 now. So it has dropped down a little bit, but it's a little bit more than it was last year. So you're at least nudging in the right direction. Where if we look here, so these are the keywords that you rank for, and this is the position. And we can see very quickly you fall off the front page. In fact, this keyword here, wet dog, which you're number 1 for, has 720 searches. It generates 64% of your traffic. Water rescue dogs is 5%. Like, you add those together, you're a good portion through. Dog towel coat, that's another 3%. So there's just very few keywords that are generating all your traffic, which is not ideal. Or if we rank these keywords by say search volume, we can see here like dog coats UK, there's 2,900 searches. So if you were to rank in the top 10 for this keyword, it'd more than double your traffic. And you're number 59. Moving from number 59 to the front page is not a lot of work. This is your homepage that ranks for that, and it's not optimized at all for that keyword, I bet. Another great keyword, family dogs. You're 1,900 searches, you're number 66. You do have a family dog page, but I bet it's not optimized either. So look at these great keywords. Oh, this one's perfect. Dog drying coats, you're number 11. Number 11 gets no traffic, but moving one spot forward to number 10 and get a good piece of that 1,600 searches. But you can see that just these keywords here, that's got to be what, 10,000, 20,000 monthly searches. And that's a lot of people, and that's just a handful of keywords. Another way we can rank the keywords is by cost per click. So that means via AdWords, how much they would cost if you were going to click on them. And generally we look at that because the higher the cost per click, it's an auction system. So the more people are willing to bid on them, the more valuable those keywords are. And so, dog daycare activities, $2.96. So it's a pretty valuable keyword. Home security dogs, that's probably much more relevant to you. $1.92, number 49. So it shows you that there's lots of potential for your site. Now let me give you an illustration of what you can do to easily get some of these. So if we go over to Google and type in site : and your domain name, this shows all of the pages that you have indexed in Google in the order that Google sees as most authoritative to least authoritative. And we can see here your home page is number 1, and then all the other pages down below. The first thing I see here is your title tag is not optimized. So your title tag is the most important thing. You've got your brand name at the front, and then no particular keyword like innovation for dogs and horses. No one's searching that. Every business is there to solve a solution to someone's problem. What solution are you fixing? That's what people are searching for, and that's what you need to present. Same with your description here. People don't really care so much about you and what you feel. They care about what they're searching for. So this should really be the answer to their prayers. So you can see that like these title tags aren't set, these title tags aren't set. So just looking at your title tags and descriptions, you're going to get a real great. In fact, that one's in German, I believe, which shows that there's a real issue there. Next thing, it looks like your site structure is not very good. You mean you do have a silo for dogs and horses? Yeah, you do have a dog one, but it's like, why is because you can see here like this is in the dog silo, but why is this not in the dog silo? So you've certainly got some issues there with how your silo is structured. So, that's just the tip of the iceberg, and that's really great news that there's simple things like this to fix, which will just catapult you forward really rapidly. Have you ranking better, making more money in no time. So who am I anyway? Well, that's me right there, Chris Reed, the CEO and founder of Ardor SEO, and we specialize in working with companies like yours all across the world, Australia, the UK, the US, the Scandinavia, and plenty of other parts of Europe. And we specialize in making sure that we get you in front of the people that are actually searching for your products and services and making sure they take action. And we know at the end of the day, search engine rankings don't pay the bills, new customers do. So that's exactly what we focus on, getting you new customers, people to your website that are going to take action. And I'd like you to take a little action now by clicking the button below this video. It's going to pop up my calendar. Just find a date and time that works for you, book in a call, and we'll have a chat. All right, so thank you again. Hope you found that really interesting, and book in a call and speak soon. Have a great day. Bye-bye.